Hello. One question. Do you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or even defeated by the challenges of having to manage celiac disease, gluten intolerance, or other, health conditions? Well, you're not alone. Because whether it's the physical pain or the emotional stress or the social awkwardness of dealing with your dietary needs, the struggle is real. But here's the good news. There is a way to regain control. There's a way to find relief. And there's really a way to build a very healthy lifestyle for your body and for your mind. And I want to show you how. In our workshop, you're going to learn how to use EFT, emotional freedom technique, to shift from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to living with confidence, with ease and with joy. And let me explain how this will transform your life. My name is Nicole Petschek, and I'm a very experienced, 20 years and more, EFT, emotional freedom therapist. And together with Alexandra, who is a holistic nutrition coach, and she specializes in glutenology, we specialize together in working with those who are diagnosed with celiac disease, with gluten intolerance, or autoimmune and neurological conditions. Many people suggest or suspect that they have gluten sensitivity, but they don't know where to start. And even parents of children managing gluten intolerance shift from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to living with confidence, ease, and joy. And let me explain how you're going to do this. Here's what I've learned about the challenges that people like you are facing. First, there's the physical discomfort. There's the stress, there's the pain, and there's the ongoing gastrointestinal issues, that make it hard to focus on anything else. And there's also the emotional toll, feeling overwhelmed or stuck or unsupported in making really necessary changes. And on top of that, you face lifestyle hurdles, from meal prep to managing social situations, like dining out or attending family events, everyday events. It can feel like an impossible balancing act, right? But imagine this, just for a moment, imagine this. You wake up without pain or stress ruling your day. You feel emotionally at peace, no longer overwhelmed by the pressures of managing your condition, and confidently attending social gatherings or navigating family events without fear or feeling awkward. And for parents, knowing you're giving your child the best support possible while still living a full and a joyful life. Now, this is not a dream. This can be your reality, but you have to take the action to make it happen. And this is where our workshop, the EFT Emotional Freedom Technique, to dismantle barriers to your well-being comes in. Tapping is a very simple, but yet it's a very powerful method that accesses the body's natural ability to heal and to restore balance. And tapping dissolves the stress and the emotional overwhelm in minutes. It helps you rewire your mind, and that embraces life changes easily and confidently. It even addresses the emotional roots of physical discomfort and pain, creating space for true healing. And here's the best part. EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, or tapping, is something you can learn and use anytime, anywhere. And that makes it, of course, a lifelong tool for your resilience and for your well-being. Here's what everyone experiences when they start tapping. Within minutes of tapping, you feel real physical relief from the stress and the anxiety, even in very challenging situations. It's often called the 1-minute wonder. It becomes so much easier to stick to a gluten-free lifestyle without feeling restricted or overwhelmed. And you become relaxed and confident, like I said before, in managing those social interactions, from dining out to having to explain to your friends all the time your issues. And for those of you who are parents, like I said, this is really something that will allow you to guide your children easily, to having this better health without them or you being worried or frustrated. You're not just managing your condition, you are transforming your life. And now I know that you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I've tried so many things that didn't work. Or perhaps you're thinking, I don't have time to add another thing to my plate. And here's what I want you to know. This tapping workshop isn't about adding more to your life. It's about making your life lighter and easier. If this resonates with you, and I hope it does, I invite you to take the first step, sign up for our 90-minute workshop, and let us show you and let yourself experience EFT, which is also known as tapping, how it works for you. Because like I said, whether you're dealing with the gluten-related challenges for yourself or your child, EFT tapping really dismantles those barriers to you having an improved lifestyle. There is a link to this video, and you can sign up directly, and you will be sent the Zoom link to attend this experiential workshop in person. It's hands-on. It's not just us talking. You will be experiencing it. Because you have the power to take back control and create a life that supports your health and your happiness. And EFT really is the key. And we're here to help you unlock. And let's get started. And I also want to remind you that there's some really great bonuses worth more in monetary value than the workshop itself. I hope to see you on the other side. Bye.